Hello guys, welcome to the YT University, and in this video I'm gonna teach you how we can include a calculator in our website. Alright, so here is the website that I'm developing, and it is a science and or math and science website, and I need a calculator because a calculator is a great tool in learning math, especially if it's a graphing calculator. So the thing is, if you're not good in C++, C, C Sharp, or JavaScript or Python, you cannot just easily make a calculator, and creating the program is really a challenge. Okay, so if you're not good on those language, there's another option, which is to integrate a third-party app, just like what I'm doing right now, making use of a third-party app known as GeoGebra. So as we can see, there is a successful integration made by Christopher Weiss, but he is not able to document his works. Nonetheless, um, there's a documentation online on how to integrate GeoGebra in a website. So you just have to follow these steps, okay? So, and then you just have to include this in the head tag or between the head tags, and then create a div element and then try to make the scripts work. So next thing is to go to our coding tool, which is Visual Studio Code here, and then we make it happen. Alright, so we follow the first step. So I just need to put here a button which I can control when I click, and something would happen if I click the button. So I'm just gonna name this button calculator. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy the prototype. Okay, this is my prototype code. So it's working, so I just have to put it here. Okay, so it's a button, and yep. So those who have learned JavaScript, this might be um, easy for you guys. Okay, so yep, you put it here, and then we change the name of the button. Let's say calculator. So caps lock is good. Calculator. Okay, just like that. And what is that? So the color is not. Yeah. Okay. And here in this button is when you click it, there's a function called as my function, which we are going to define later on. So the function would tell us that, hey, display my calculator if I click this button, something like that. So this is the one the where I am clicking, but right now nothing is happening because the function is not defined. Okay, and next thing is to create a div box, okay, for or div element for the calculator. It will serve as the container. So you can just say underneath this 80% something something is our div box. So it's caps lock, yeah. So yeah, there we go. So we have to copy the div element, which will be targeted by the script. Alright, so we copy this. So it's GeoGebra's a script that will work on this GGB element, okay, or in this div box. Okay, so you place it here, copy and paste it. Then you can see nothing is happening. So when you save, nothing is happening because the script is not yet loaded. Okay, so all you need to do now is to copy the script, which is found in here, and place it in here. Okay, so save that, and then you will see that nothing because the script that controls the connection between JavaScript and or your page and GeoGebra is not yet linked. Okay, so you see the calculator is not yet displayed. Okay, so what we can do is to go back here in this page and then copy this script number, step number 2 script, source https www.geogebra.org/apps blah blah blah. Okay, so you copy that, and then you go ahead in between the head tag, okay, here, and paste it. Okay, so this is how it looks like before saving, and then after saving. Okay, so let's just wait, and there we go. Yahoo! Calculator is being displayed. Hope that is it gets displayed. Yeah, it gets displayed. Yeah, then you can start graphing. Okay, you just have to be familiar with how GeoGebra works, but this is a great tool. Like so, for example, I'm gonna say x squared. Oh, no, not that, not there. In here, okay, x. That's what he has done in his program. X squared. All right, minus minus 3x. Okay, so you see that it can graph anything. Okay, so there's also a 3D graph which I would want to make use next time, and actually you can animate a little using GeoGebra. That's why I like it, and then you can do some minor calculations there. Alright, so it's good, but it is blocking everything. Okay, just like this, it's blocking the nav. So I want what I want to happen is when I click this calculator thing, it would be gone or it would be displayed depending on, yeah, the number of clicks. So this is what we are going to do. So we can save this. Yeah. So first, we do not want to display it. We do not want to see this calculator. So we're gonna say on load, display. Do not display this. Okay. So I'm gonna say do not display on load. Okay. Do not display GGB element. So that's another script, and you can just put it inside uh, this element. Okay, so that's a JavaScript, and here on load, where's that? Okay, our function get element, yeah, this one. Okay, so you will see document get element by ID. So the target is this ID. Okay, that's why IDs are very important uh, when it comes to writing JavaScripts. Okay, so the ID enables us to control the element. Okay, or the div box that has that ID. Okay, so I want this to be gone. Okay, or not displayed. Alright, so I have to copy this and go back to my code and then place it here and then save it. Okay, so on load, you will not see the calculator again. So how are you going to display it? Okay, if I click, no, nothing happened, and it will not be displayed again unless there's something like when we click the button named calculator, hey, display. So we're gonna name and define this function. So we go back and to this code and right here, so function, we name the function as my function, and inside is what the function does. Alright, var x, we create a variable x, and that's actually getting the element. Okay, that variable will contain this move actually to get the element ID GGB. Okay, so GGB element is passed into the variable. Okay, so it's like reading GGB element style that display if, okay, if GGB style, if GGB element that style that displayed is equal to none, which is none at of this point in time. Okay, because on load we set that to none. Okay, So if that is true, then okay, display it. Okay, display block. So GGB element that style that display is equal to block. So this function assigns the style, okay, to be block. And then what happens if something else happen? Do not display it. If anything wrong happen, do not display it. If it's blocked, then do not display it. The next click. All right, so we can copy this and go back to our code, and down below you can just paste it. All right, so you just have to make sure that the name of the function and down below is just the same in here. So when that's done, I think we can try to save it and try the button. Okay, so there we go. It simply loads the calculator. That's nice. All right, so and if you don't want to use the calculator, and then yeah, it's gone. So I think I'm gonna put it in the next release of the website, which I'm gonna be doing maybe next time. All right. Okay, so this is how the website looks like. So you can go to our page. So since it doesn't use PHP, I think it's doable, because if if you're making use of PHP and you're using a hosting platform, I think you're gonna pay much. So I think this can be changed. I'm gonna put the side knob right here. The calculator will just pop up when I want it to, okay, or when my viewers want it to. So that's uh, that's it for now, guys. I think if you were able to learn something, congratulations. If you have questions, please put it down in the comment section below so that I can help you as much as I could. Bye, guys. So see you next time here in the YT University.